Let's get started.
Approach vault 1! Absolutely!
The sun is shining and visibility is normal. A great day to get famous, isn't it?
For once, our arena hasn't been shaken or stirred.
Maintain
It's a
position
straight-up
up there.
playing field for this round.
Right the vault down!
With a flood of confidence, the Big Splash are opening vault 2.
Barricades up! Smoke's out!
There it is, our first elimination of
Here's a barricade!
Well, I saw that one coming, June. You know, the trained eye of a former contestant and all that.
You never miss a beat, Scotty. It's why you're the expert.
The live wires swooped up a cash box.
Move over to
The
cash
match
out
has
B.
its first team wipe, and it's one for the books.
That was a painful one for the Overdogs. We've got the Overdogs returning to the arena.
We could see some retaliation coming. The live wires need to stay on high alert.
Barricades up!
Big energy from the powerhouses as they drive the action.
Here's the barricade! Flaming round out!
Risky moves to
Throw a smoke grenade!
The Overdogs are in their
Throw
glory.
a smoke grenade!
The Big Splash are making waves, stealing a cash out and leaving rivals soaked.
Special
Will
delivery!
they make this a spree, I wonder?
Drilling!
A long-awaited return to the arena for the powerhouses.
One down!
The Big Splash are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out. The Big Splash have seized the helm.
Three threats erased before the vault even fills the green! Raid vault
No
3!
stopping the Overdogs as they secure that cash out.
They stole it fair and square. All perfectly legal here at the finals.
The Overdogs are demonstrating their power. The Overdogs are opening vault 4. Slogan.
These teams are vying for the favor of our sponsors, and they are certainly giving it their best out there.
have been disconnected again. Team wiped.
For
The
steal on
Live
me.
Wires are re-engaging.
They'll be coming for payback. The powerhouses better brace for impact.
Swipe the cash out.
One skilled play can change the game.
Barricade check.
The powerhouses have returned to the arena.
Sparks might fly if they cross paths with the live wires again.
Danger down there. Watch out, over there.
No way, not today. A daring cash-out steal, foiled at the last second.
And that's all for this game show twist. We're back to basics.
Another team wipe for the big splash. When it rains, it pours. Super move by the live wires. Cash out complete.
Move out.
This almost looks rehearsed, Scotty.
Engage
The
in full
live
flight.
wires are showcasing exceptional teamwork here.
Absolutely.
The arena just got a bit richer. A new vault has materialized. Only a minute remains.
It's crunch time, Scotty.
Powerhouse has swooped up a cash box. The big splash are applying pressure to a vault.
Gonna revive. Cover me.
Let's see who can rise to the occasion.
Steal on B. Going in. Yep.
Last 30 seconds. What a match.
The teams need to leave it all in the arena.
Smokes out.
Here's the barricade.
distance holds up.
And joining them in qualifying, we have the Overdogs, our runners-up.
The Overdogs, the Kingfish, the Boundless, and finally, the Live Wires. Focus, folks, focus. We're back and buzzing for round 2.
Head to vault 1. All right.
The winds of competition are kicking up. A sandstorm is sweeping through the arena, promising a gritty showdown.
Engage at vault 1. Drilling.
The Boundless are making a move, unlocking vault 2.
Here's some cover. Placing a cover. Moving.
The Boundless picked up a cash box.
The first team wipe is in, and the...
Never fun to be the first in that context, but the Live Wires will bounce back.
Attack on B.
A
Steal it.
long-awaited return to the arena for the Live Wires.
I feel the tables turning. The Overdogs should stay alert.
The Boundless have commenced a cash out.
Smoke grenade out. Placing a cover. Great cloud out.
A team-wide mishap for the Overdogs.
They were caught chasing their own tails.
Ha! Nice one! The Live Wires denied a cash out. Great steal.
Remember, that's illegal in many jurisdictions, but not here.
Barricading.
Not enough? Good, because now our contestants have 2. Let's see what they make of it.
The Overdogs are back.
They're ready to power back up. They'll want to pay the Live Wires a visit.
Watch out! Over there! Danger up here!
A successful Kingfish expedition in the arena as they steal a cash out. Charging forward, the Live Wires are setting the tone now. The Live Wires are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out.
Now that's what I call a steal paying off in style. A contestant people. They're moving from one elimination to the next.
Super move by the Kingfish. Cash out complete.
Always a pleasure watching a good bold steal turn into a payday.
Frag grenade sent!
We've got an spawning into the arena.
Just filed 4 resignations violently. Going over there.
A bit of a recurring nightmare for the Boundless. Another wipe.
They're in a bind now, Scotty.
Enemy over there.
The Kingfish have seized the moment and the lead.
Shoot for cash out C. Agreed.
The Overdogs have commenced a cash out. And the action is insane.
The contestants are definitely showcasing the spirit
cover.
of our sponsors. They maintain this level of intensity.
Creating a smoke screen. Barricade deployed. They got it. Probably already gone. Watch out.
The Kingfish grabbed a cash box.
Smoke alert. Barricade check.
The Boundless might be bounding toward elimination. They're in danger of being knocked out of the tournament. Cash out in the works thanks to the Kingfish.
I'm back. One down. Setting a barricade. Barricade check.
The Boundless can't seem to catch their stride. They're down again.
Throwing smoke. Defense so clean. You'd think it was scripted. Out here.
A contestant just cleverly defended their cash out from being stolen. Sweet.
Don't steal the game.
For the moment, we have the live wires out in front. Look sharp! A vault has just rolled in. The Overdogs are dropping into a vault.
3 fewer problems. 1 flawless defense.
We've reached the end of this game show
Hold in on both
event.
5. Right.
Another fall seems the hurdles just keep coming for the Boundless.
That's right, I guess they have limits after all.
Got it. Let's go.
The live wire swooped up a cash box.
Let's stand our ground here. Go to cash out B. Got it.
The Boundless need a big play to stay in the tournament. Oh, look, a new vault is ready to be opened.
Three denied. Vault still locked.
The Kingfish are opening a vault. By the live wires. Watch closely. The Overdogs swooped up a cash box. A contestant is dishing out some instructions. Good riddance. as we charge into the final round.
And swimming into our upcoming two-team clash with them, we've got the Kingfish.
Okay, folks, it's the big show. It's what we've all been waiting for. It's the final round. All right, the Kingfish versus the Live Wires. Last battle, best battle, bring it.
Move to Vault 1.
Here we go again. A reminder to our viewers that our final rounds are slightly different. The first team
Access
to
Vault
reach
1.
50,000 will win. How's that sound, Scotty?
Sounds like something I already knew, June. But you knew that and asked me anyway.
Barricading.
The Live Wires are crowding into Vault 1.
Outstanding. That's it, Shake Log. This'll protect us.
First elimination on the board, courtesy of the Kingfish, and the chase begins.
Taking damage.
The first team wipe has landed. Let's see how that affects things in this round.
That was a hard blow for the Live Wires. Cash out underway thanks to the Kingfish.
Steal cash out A. Barricades up.
The rules of physics just slightly different. Let's see how our contestants will handle this double jump game show.
Smoke out. Barricade check.
A sneak attack!
Massive shift in the dynamics of this match. Exciting!
Here's some cover. Moving. There, defend over here. Enemy over there. Let's keep it strong. Right about now. Moving, follow me.
Our first cash out
Smoke's out.
goes to the Live Wires. Let's see whether they can
Many
keep that
thanks.
momentum going.
That's the power of teamwork. Pure brilliance.
Reloading.
fish to fry after all, Scotty.
Landed like a hammer to glass.
The live wires jolt forward, opening Vault 2.